Hello, my name is Manuel Castresana, and my teammate names are Luis Peña and Edgar Alonso, and today we will be working on the math project. The problems that were assigned to us were numbers 14 and 55, and we will work on them up ahead. Thank you for watching.
Hello, my name is Luis Peña and today we're going to solve a limits problem. So first of all, you need to see what your limit is, and right in this problem we have positive infinite as your limit. When this is the case, you need to look in the denominator for the highest exponent and divide it by every number in your problem. So the second step will be this one. You will divide every single number and variable in the problem by the highest exponent, and then you will cancel out the x's. So here you can have this 2, 1 on the bottom. Here you cancel out, but you have a 1. This one cancel out, and 1 on the bottom, and this one stays the same. So now that you have canceled the x's, you're going to have this, and then you're going to put your limit, which is positive infinite. When you divide a number by infinite, it automatically converts it to a 0. So this one is a 0, this one is 0, and this one is a 0. So then what you have left with is the answer, which is positive infinite over 1, which, when you simplify it, gives you positive infinite, which is your answer. Thank you.
At problem 55, we are requested to solve the following problem. We are requested to find the derivative of the function 3x minus 5x squared. And we're requested to do so by definition of derivative. Now, the definition of derivative is limit as h tends to 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x over h. Now, in order to do this, we first need to find what f of x plus h is. So we first have to substitute on the original function x with x plus h. So we would do it by and then we simply simplify by distributing the 3x plus 3h, and of course squaring the x plus h. So x squared plus 2xh plus h squared, and then distributing that. All right, once we have that, we simply need to stick this whole new formula onto the definition of derivative. So we would do that by, so since this is f of x plus h, we would do that by putting minus the original function, which would be minus 3x plus now 5x squared. And we would simplify from there by canceling the similar functions. So 3x with minus 3x minus 5x squared with minus 5 with plus 5x squared. Now, since this at this point is limit of h as limit as h tends to 0 of 3h minus 10xh minus 5h squared over h. And then to remove the h in the denominator, we simply have to factor the numbers on the numerator, we simply factor out the h. This would be the result, and then we cancel the h's.
Okay, so the problem ends with limit as h tends to 0 of 3 minus 10x minus 5h. What you do next is you substitute the h's for zeros, so we do a solve. So your final answer would be limit of h tends to 0 of 3 minus 10x.